Halo katan, oh, sudah baru sekarang ini udah madu nama agenda tak kata dua mama sejak aku lakukan ini beda, pada baru dalam masa pada baru my parents and my family. They will explain about commitment. Commitment is an agreement or promise made consciously and voluntarily to do something or achieve a certain goals. It is a decision to be loyal and responsible to something or someone, be it to oneself, other, or others. In everyday life, a commitment can take many forms such as relationship commitment, loyalty, and promise to be with your partner. Commitment toward dedication and responsibility to complete tasks and achieve targets. A commitment to personal goals, consistent effort to achieve a dream or goal. Commitment to values, belief and action that are in line with belief principles. Is in essence, commitment is the foundation of strong relationship, personal success, and integrity. Okay, I think that enough and apologies. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.